back with a Viper video that isn't really a Viper video. So we're in my new garage. You might be able to tell the lighting isn't that great. I decided to use the GoPro for this video because my Sony is extremely good in low light. So I'm hoping the GoPro can capture the before and afters a little bit better. So what I did was I bought these LED lights off of Amazon. Oh, and that light back there just went off. That's when I open up the garage door. That goes on when I open up the door. So this is how it really is unless I open up the door and I get more light. I got the LED kit that came with 6 of these 4-foot long V style lights. If you can see the V, two rows of LED lights. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 power switches. I think I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these connecting cables, and then some hard wiring cables as well. And then of course the hardware to mount it to the ceiling. I have a feeling, you know, I'm not gonna need 6 of these switches. I'm planning to run 2 circuits of 3 lights. And I kind of mapped this out. So I'm gonna have circuit 1 here, 2 and 3 in one circuit, and then I'm gonna have 1, 2, and then 3 in the back there. So I'll have 2 on each side of the car, 1 behind and 1 in the front. I picked that up in some forums I was reading that you kind of want to outline the car for the best lighting. So that's my plan. I got everything mocked up on the floor, just real quick, you know, it's kind of plug and play. You know, I got my 1 circuit here, and then I got my other circuit, the other 3 lights coming on this side, and then the other one going in the back. So I want you to see how dark this is. Let's put the camera there, hopefully that's a good spot. And I'm gonna go ahead and actuate the right side of the cars. I mean, it looks like daylight in here. And then I'll actuate these other 3. And wow, I mean, these are just lights on the ground. When they get up on the ceiling, it's gonna be even brighter. But I mean, this thing is like, look at this garage. I mean, holy crap, look at all this light. Again, let me go turn these off just for a comparison. I mean, it just, wow, I'm blown away. All right, let's get these hung up. I got all my hardware lined up. I got 6 clips here and 6 clips here, 6 screws for each. It actually came with an extra clip and 2 screws just in case. So I'm gonna do 2 of these per light and a screw right here in the middle, right up in the drywall, and that should be enough because these lights are super lightweight. One other thing is that these lights have this film on them. I'm trying to show you guys, but just make sure you peel this all the way off before you hang up the lights. Honestly, that was 10 minutes tops. I got this first circuit of lights done. So here's just half of them. I mean, that's, holy crap. All right, again, none, all of them, 3 of them, look at that. 1, 2, and 3. And the nice thing I really like is that, you know, I could just, so if I wanted that light to be more aft, I could just scoot it over, no big deal with those clips. So I guess I just got these other 3 to hang. No need to videotape that process. You already saw me do those 3. Let's go to the end result here. All right, no joke, it's been half an hour and I got all 6 lights up. Easiest thing I've done all week. and I just assembled a Target bar cart. So if you can assemble a Target bar cart, you can do this. Let me show you how my setup works. So I have the left bank, which you saw me install. Okay, so on, off, and then I have the right bank over here. These three, the aftmost and then the driver's side of the car. And I can go ahead and toggle these. And there we go. So this is this is the light that I originally had. Okay. And then I'll do the right bank and the left bank, and it's just like daylight in here. I mean, this is exactly what I needed. I'm gonna do some paint correction on the Viper and my Lexus as well. And this will just show you every imperfection in the paint, which is exactly what you need, because that's the only way to get it out. Well, that's how you install these Amazon, like T8. I don't know, I gotta look at what these ones exactly are, but super easy. 2 clips of light, and then just connect them using these the supplied hardware.